How to download Spotify playlist to MP3. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can download Spotify playlist to MP3. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is simply open up your Spotify and make sure that you're logged into your account. And from here, just select your account to log in. And once you do that, you're going to have to create a playlist if you don't already have one. So head over to library and tap on create playlist. So tap on this plus icon and then click on playlist and click on create. And now from here, you can add to playlist. You can add certain things. So I'm just going to go ahead and add these stuff on my playlist. You could also search for songs here, and what I'm gonna do now is tap on my random playlist that I've created previously. So here is my playlist. And right besides your playlist, you'll have this little download icon, which will allow you to download this to MP3. So simply click on this option and it will start downloading. But in order to download this, without music or without Wi-Fi, then you will need the premium. So if you are a subscriber of Spotify Premium, then you can easily go ahead and download it without any problem. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.